Friends, in this video we are discussing last important two inventions done by human beings in the world, and in the present situation or present condition, in those also they capture the most important place in the world. So in that about only we are discussing in this session. So in that first one here they given, that is computer, second one is rocket. So in that both also we are discussing who is discovered by rocket, and we are discussing about the computer and what was the advantages. So these are the matters we are discussing in this session. Okay, first one here they given, that is computer. So here they say one of the important mass media in the world in the present situation, that is computer. In the present situation, without the computer we cannot do anything. So that much of need for a daily life, that instrument name is computer. And commonly now present situation generation peoples, they are knowing knowledge about computer, they knowing the common knowledge. So now we want to discuss, that means who is discovered by the computer and what was the advantages. So first of all here they are saying in the 19th century Charles Babbage, he first time invented the first mechanical computer. So who is first time invented by the computer? Here they say Charles Babbage. First time implemented the computer or discovered by the computer, that is mechanical computer. And second one here they say ENIAC, that is one of the organization, they discovered by an electrical digital computer was developed in 1940s. So after that in 1940 they implemented new types of computer, that is digitalized computer. They showing the numbers. So that based of computers they implemented. So finally here they are saying 1972 microprocessor was invented. So on that based, which was used in the making of the personal computer, means PC. So afterwards in 1972, what present in we are using the monitor, means what we are seeing the screen in computer. So that one when they implemented the microprocessor PC, personal computer. So this is one of the new advanced computer in the world. So these like the stages of inventions of computer. First time they invented by mechanical computer, second one digital, finally they discovered by PC. So before that we want to know who is discovered by the computer? Charles Babbage. And we want to know when they discovered the computer in the beginning, so how much of big that one, or what was the shape of the computer. So in the beginning when they discover the computer, that one occur the place as a one of the room. They need a room, that much of large size of computers in the beginning. But present they created so many of, they implemented so many of forward technology. On this page we can see small area or small place to keep a computer. But in beginning we need a room, large room to keep a computer. That much of big computers discovered in beginning. And next one point here they say, and in that computer for one of the important source, that is internet. Without the internet we cannot get any information in computer. And in that place we can see email. This is one of the important communication media, personal communication media. We can share the message to any person as immediately. So that much of faster technology they implemented in computer. That means if you want to use this one computer, means want to the purpose of communication, we need internet. So in that purpose they implement another one communication media, that is email, to exchange communication feelings, to share. That purpose for only they implemented by email. So this is the important points about computer. So now next one we want to discuss, that is rocket. This was one of the important inventions done by human beings in their history. Because of still they peoples they discovered or invention by so many of things. Only the purpose or uses of only for us in our earth, in our surrounding area, that much only. But when they discovered by the rocket, so afterwards we got knowledge about the space also. So what are the things are there in space and what was the procedure is going on in our space. We got so many of knowledge after the discovery of rocket. Till that much time we did not get so many of information about the space. And nowadays we can see there are so many of people, they are going to the space and they started to research in that particular area, how earth is created, our planets, our space. So much of research is going on. Because of when rocket is implemented, these are the matters or procedures going on in our earth. This is one of the important point. So next year they say who is discovered by the rocket, that means here they saying Robert Hutchins Goddard. Robert Hutchins Goddard discovered by or invented by rocket. And next one is they say is the American physicist. Is the American physicist, he only invented by rocket. Afterward, next one title also for them they given, because of here they given the father of modern rocketry. And not only this one, he got also one of the important title, that is the father of modern rocketry. Because he only first time they give an idea how we can launch the rocket to space. So he only given the idea. So on that based we given for him as a title the father of modern rocketry. So afterwards here they say Goddard is successfully launched the rocket. Here they saying why we are calling that, like because of here they say he successfully launched. He launched the rocket. How we launched on 16th March 1926, and it was liquid filled. Liquid filled. He used oil as a liquid engine. So liquid oil. So on that purpose here they say rocket, the feet of the rocket is 10 feet long and the flight lasted 2.5 seconds and achieved an altitude of 41 feet. And next one here they say that rocket fly only 2.5 seconds, that much only, and they kept the altitude of how much of height that one went till 41 seconds in the beginning. This is one of the greatest achievement in human history. Because till that much time any one member also did not did this like of work. First time he done. So in that purpose he got the success. He launched the rocket and that one went till height of 41 feet. So on this purpose we are given for him as a title father of modern rocketry. And next one here they say in 1937 Goddard launched the first rocket with the powered motor. And next one here they say afterwards implemented another forward technology. On that based here they say in the powered motors used, that is capable to being turned. We can turn anywhere. So in that based of rocket he created and he launched in the year of 1937. Here also he got the success. So not only the Americans, India also, they got so many of research in rocket. Nowadays we are knowing we got so many of success. We did so many of research about the space. We have one of the institutions about the research center about the space, that is ISRO. So on that based we also done, India also done so much of achievements. So these are the important points about rocket. Rocket is discovered by Robert Hutchins Goddard. He is an American. He only first time discovered by the rocket and used modern technology. So on that purpose we given title as the father of modern rocketry. And he only first time launched the rocket in the world. So these are the important points about rocket and computer. So these are the important points. Okay, thank you.